coming out from her. All right. Please pick your pageant side. Ako! Hello to Pageant Talk. Anton Eder.
Hello.
So, if you win the crown tonight, how will you promote Quiapo? And how will you convince to visit Quiapo?
Alright, thank you. If I will win the crown tonight, how will I represent my municipality and other municipality? It's simple using my social media platforms. Because nowadays, many people using social media platforms, and I believe by exploring more the Quiapo, I believe I can represent the beauty of Quiapo, because the people of Quiapo is the brain of our town, the heart of our municipality, and I am very proud to be called Cuyapenia. And if I will win the crown tonight, I will be happy to represent and explore the world with my municipality, Quiapo, my home, Quiapo!
I gotta say, she answered that beautifully. Thank you also, Anton Eder of Capital. Thank you so much. BDBD 15 for that beautiful answer. Moving on at this time to our second semi-finalist. We have BDBD 9. Here's Micaela Tuanio. Micaela, pakalawa kang tinawag. Matanong lang kita, no? Ini-expect mo ba na uusad ka talaga sa competition na ito? Or are you doing this solely for the experience? O talagang nandito ka to win it?
Yes po, ini-expect ko. Because I know I did my best. And I showed my confidence to be able to be here and stand in front of you tonight to make in the top 10. Thank you.
Ayun, binipiling line na Micaela, hindi pa yun yung tanong mo. Teka lang. Ito na. Let's find out who your question will be coming from. Please. From our partner, from the media, the Crown Philippines, Jonathan Santos. Ayan na.
Good evening.
My question is, what does empowerment mean?
Thank you. Empowerment to me as a woman is inspiring other women to do their best. Like me, when I was young, I am not that confident enough to join pageantry. But despite, through my dedication, I'm here, standing in front of you, showcasing my talent, and inspiring other people, especially women, to do it as well. Because I believe the women are the beacon of hope and the symbol of strength. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Binibini 9 of the Canada Choir. And of course, thank you to the crowd, Jonathan, for that beautiful question.
That was well put. All right, next candidate is, candidate number 8. We have Zachi. Okay, Zachi Labore. Zachi, you've won several awards already. Leading up to this point, majority of the awards. How do you feel? Was that the expectation from you tonight? And how do you feel that you've won all of those awards already?
Of course, I'm feeling grateful because I've won those awards, those several awards, but I didn't expect to receive those awards, especially those number of awards. Thank you.
Well, you're doing a great job so far, so you may now pick your pageant website. All right. Wait, where is Pao Peñamo? Oh, Pao Peñamo. There you go. Sir Pao, hello.
Hi, looks so beautiful. I only have one question for you. If you have a power to ask one question to the judges, what will it be and why? Again, let me repeat. If you have one question to ask to the judges, what would it be and why?
It would be, do you judge equally or do you judge for equity? Because equality and equity, there is a fine line between those two things. And being a judge is very hard because I've been a judge And I just want to ask you if you are judging equally or for equity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibini 8.
Maraming salamat. Pero masabi ko lang din, iba si Pao Kanyamo sa camera. Ang fresh din. Parang lumalaban ni Sachi. Binibini. Iba ka, Pao.
Nakakadakot din yung tanong niya. Parang ako yung kinabahan sa kandidato.
I love these questions coming from our friends from the media. Let's move on to our next semi-finalist. Let's hear it from Binibini 13, Jonalyn Antonio Lamitero. Hi, Jonalyn.
Hi.
Jonalyn, yung number 13 in Superstition, sabi nila malas daw yun. Nung nabigay sa inyo yung number 13, medyo kinabahan ka ba? Or did you use this to your advantage to prove everybody wrong na ang 13 ay maswerte talaga?
Yes po, swerte talaga kasi I am standing here in front of you all to improve and gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya.
Yeah. And we cannot wait to see how your question fares out. Alamin natin kung sino ang tatanungin natin from our friends from the media. Ito na. From Pageant Trend, Jay Barbo, everybody!
Good evening, candidate number 13.
Hi po.
It's so gorgeous tonight. My question for you is, what do you love most about joining Binibini Kuya Po 2025? Again, what do you love most about joining Binibini Kuya Po 2025?
I love joining Binibining Kuya Po 2025 dahil lalo akong tumatag at natuto sa mga diskriminasyon nila sa akin. Lalo akong nagsumikap at ipagpatuloy ang aking mga pangarap dahil hindi ako matutumba ng kahapon. Thank you.
Beautiful. That was Jonalyn.
That came from the heart. Her answer. All right, thank you so much, Binibini 13. Next is our 5th candidate in the top 10, Binibini 14. This is Angela Rivera. Okay, hello Angela. How are you? How are you?
Kinakabahan ba? I still feel confidence because I have the power to inspire everyone.
You should feel confident because you've made it this far and you still have the opportunity to win the crown. All right, Angela, please pick out your pageant vlogger or website. We have Edge Tenoria of Pageantology.
Hi, candidate number 14. I'm sure you are familiar with online phrase, sobrang Latina. So what makes Kuya Peña sobrang Kuya Peña?
What makes Kuya Peña sobrang Kuya Peña is their resilience and hard work that they using to inspire others, and especially Kuya Peña is a resilience and they embody the hard work, and because Kuya Peña is the backbone of our society and our community, especially the farmers who raised with the sun, and entrepreneurs who build dreams, and construction workers who build the foundation in our community, and especially everyday heroes that bring smiles to others. As me being one of the candidates of Binibining Kuya Po, I am very proud to be a Kuya Po.
Thumbs up. Thank you, Binibini 14. That's Angela Rivera, and we also thank Sir Edge Tenoria of Pageantology. Thank you. I'm Edge, I'm so sorry. I'm Edge Tenoria of Pageantology.
All right, we are down to the halfway point of our semi-finalists. So we're going to be hearing from our 6th candidate. Maaari po lamang mga kaibigan, hindi lang po kami ng konting kooperasyon habang ang ating kandidata po ay sumasagot. Bigyan po natin sila ng konting katahimikan para hindi rin magulo yung nila, train of thought, as well as to not put any additional pressure on whoever is answering on the stage. Di ba tayo doon? Pagkatapos na sumagot sa kanan lang tayo humiyaw. Alright, let's move on to Binibini number 17 this time. Here's Anika Bel Nartaves. Anika or Anika? I hope I'm saying your name right. Is it Anika?
It's Anika.
Anika. Anika, such a unique name. Kanina marami rin humihiyaw para sa'yo. Baka gusto mong mag-shoutout sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo. Kanina pa, nandito na sila nag-iingay for you. Just a quick shout-out to all your supporters.
Hello everyone, especially my family friends.
Good luck sa'yo, Anika. Please choose your pageant vlogger. Uy! Andito pala si pageant react, si Ivy! Gabriel Ivy Galvez! Grabe, ano? Sariwa, Ivy.
Hello, number 17.
Hello po.
This is your question. What is the most treasured memory in joining Binibining Kuya Po 2025 and why?
Thank you for that question. For me, the treasured memories po, dito po sa Binibining Kuya Po 2025 is magkaroon po ako ng kaibigan na katulad po ni Binibining 16. Ayan po. Ayan po yung pinaka-treasure ko po ngayon dito sa journey ko po, na marami po akong nakilala, marami po akong natutunan sa journey ko na to. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Beautiful answer from Anika Bel Nartames, BB17, and funny enough, magkasunod sila. This is tinawag. Swerte.
Swerte. Ano yan? Destined. Silang dalawa magkasunod. So on that note, we have Binibini 16. Hello. This is Jenny Zabala Cabato.
Yes po.
How do you feel that you got mentioned by your friend Binibini 17?
Actually, I feel so proud that I'm mentioned by Binibini 17, and I love her so much because she's confident and she's brave enough to stand here and to show who she is. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you as well. You may now pick out your pageant vlogger / website. We have a representative from Crown Philippines. Crown Philippines.
Good evening po.
So my question for you is, do you believe that social media helps or hinders self-love? One more time. Do you believe that social media helps or hinders self-love?
Thank you. I believe that social media is a very large platform for us to showcase what we feel or what's our thought. I believe that it is one way for us also to show our love to the people, because social media is a very large platform for us to show people that we love them by posting them online, by mentioning them that you love them. And I believe that social media has a positive and negative side, and I believe that we should always focus on the positive side of it because it will benefit us as a people. Thank you.
Thank you. Binibini 16. That was a great answer. Thank you.
All right, here we go. Moving on to our next semi-finalist. Here's Binibini number 1. Binibini 1. Ibang klase din talaga yung suporta. Nanggagaling sa lahat ng iba yung auditorium natin. Bigyan na rin natin sila ng pagkakataon na marinig yung pasasalamat mo. So, shout out na rin sa mga sumusuporta sa iyo.
Hello, good evening everyone. I just want to say thank you to my family, friends, and my kabarangay, which is Barangay Curva. Thank you so much for your unending support. I love you all. Thank you.
We cannot wait to see you move forward in this competition. Good luck sa iyo. Binibini 1, Darlene Dolomete. Please pick out the name of your pageant runner. You have chosen? Ooh, from OPMB. Ito na, si Noli Berioso.
Hello, Binibini One.
Hello po.
Here's my question. Can you tell us something unique or something special about your beloved municipality, Kuyapo, which is that most of us non-residents are not aware of?
Good evening, everyone. I want you to all know that Kuyapo has 3 points, which is first, the people, because the people communicates with us with full-heartedly. The next is the community, which welcomes, which every barangay has a story about to tell. And next is, which lastly, the Kuyapeños. Kuyapeños stand here currently as I represent my hometown, which is my barangay, and that journey continues beyond tonight. Thank you.
That community and the people.
Ito ang nakaka-proud na rin. Lalo, kami niyang supporters ngayong gabi ito. Alright, thank you, Binibini One. We have 2 candidates left, starting with Binibini 10. This is Angela May Alegado. Hey Angela, how are you? Okay, how do you feel that you're in the top 10?
I'm so grateful po because 22 candidates po kami nakapas-pas po.
I'm sure lahat ng friends mo dito, family members, proud na proud sa'yo. You may now pick out your pageant vlogger. Ito. For the Philippines, Oyel De Leon.
Hello, good evening. First, congratulations for making it to top 10. So, super short lang ito. Would you rather be right or be kind? Again, would you rather be right or be kind?
Thank you. Mas gugustuhin ko pong mabuti sapagkat magiging tama ang isang tao kung ikaw ay mabuti at may mabuting puso, may papakita sa ibang tao. Kung kaya't piliin natin maging mabuti sa bawat isa dahil hindi natin alam kung anong mga kinakaharap nila. Thank you so much.
That was quite a hefty question, but she maneuvered it very well, I might say.
It was concise, straight to the point, but with a lot of emphasis as well. Thank you as well to Oyel for that question.
Ang fresh din ni Oyel eh. Iba talaga sa camera and in person, parang namamayagpag yung ganda.
Paki-focus naman pa nagpa-project si Oyel.
Grabe ka. Ito na, Binibini 12, Ashley and the Fiesta. Ashley, last one to be home in kanina. Kinakabahan ka na ba nung shot na yung natawag? There was just 1 spot left. Iniisip mo ba, ako na yun, sure to. Were you hesitant in your mind? Iniisip mo ba na parang natalo ka na at that point?
Well, kanina habang nakatayo ako na nung tinawag na yung pangsyam at isa na lang yung tinatawag, syempre talagang kinakabahan na baka hindi ako yung matawag pero naniwala pa rin ako sa sarili ko na ako yung matatawag na last candidate bilang na may pasok sa top 10.
And natawag ka nga, gumana ang manifestation mo. Kaya naman, alamin natin kung sino ang magtatanong sa iyo. This time, we have from Eventologies, Ferdy Ferdinand Alejón.
Hey, good evening, candidate number 12. Tama ba?
Good evening.
Would you like it in English or Tagalog?
Up to you po.
Up to you, okay. If you are given a chance to time travel back to the past, what one gadget you would want to bring and why? Pag nabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na mag-time travel back sa past, ano yung kukunin mo or dadalhin mo na gadget? Isa lang. At bakit?
Thank you. Para sa akin, kung magbibigyan man ako ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa past, unang-unang, ang gadget na dadalhin ko, syempre cellphone, kasi ito yung ginagamit sa panahon ngayon para makapag-communicate sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. At ito yung gusto kong dalhin kasi kahit na nasa past ako, gusto ko pa rin na makausap at
to utilize the technology to connect with her family and friends. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. We don't get a lot of time travel questions. That was an interesting question. Thank you so much, di ba? May sagot ako dun eh.